What's going on, everybody? Look at this. I told y'all. When I put out that video last night, I told y'all I'm gonna have it in my hands. We gotta check this phone out. You know your boy don't be playing around when it comes to these phones. The video's about to start now. Well, guys, we got the phone. We got the Microsoft Surface Duo 2. And guess what this model has? Millimeter wave. Yes, it is a Snapdragon 888 with 5G and low mid-band and millimeter wave. So we're gonna have to unbox this bad boy. We're gonna set it up. We're gonna get it going. I know it only has Wi-Fi 6. Woo, boo, woo, woo. Who the hell needs Wi-Fi to be 1 gigabit symmetrical at the moment when all your devices in your house anyways is going to hog up the 1 gigabyte? It's going to be probably 700 anyways, which this can do up to 750. So either way, it's still good. Ooh, cry a river. But other than that, the phone's great. It's going to be a great phone here. Let's get it unboxed. Let's get this going. Let's set it up. And let's do some network testing with this phone on the Verizon millimeter wave. So yeah, let's get this going. All right, guys, here she is. Of course, the two sandwich screens. Camera bump is it's pretty thick. It's pretty thick, guys. I think they copied everybody else. Let's see what else we got in the box here real quick. Try not to be litter here. Let's see. What do we get? We get the charging cable C2C. It's good. It's high quality. Damn, we didn't get like last year. Last year we got the little rubber borders for the phone. Damn, man. That's Microsoft for you, man. Every year they try to Jew you more. Let's see. Maybe it might be in here. Nope, SIM tool, that's it, guys. Damn, Microsoft tries to Jew you. They don't even give you the damn silicone anymore. That's messed up. But it is what it is, guys. So let's peel this plastic. Let's see here. Oh man, there we go. That's it. She's fully exposed to the elements now, guys. She's fully exposed. And that's that sandwich plate right there. She looks good in black. Way better than the white. So supposedly this thing has some sort of screen in the front, right? Or in the side or something. Oh yeah, right here. Okay, so let me set this up, guys, real quick. Let me get it. Let me get my Gmail on there. Let me get everything up and going, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, I apologize. I know I was supposed to get this video out last week when I got the damn Surface Duo 2, but you know, been busy with work, and then plus we had a community member that came here to Vegas. You know, I had to show him hospitality. You know, that's why I've been kind of MIA too. You know. You just had to drop him off at the airport right now. You know, he finally departed. But other than that, guys, hold on. Let's speed test the Surface Duo. So I put the Verizon SIM in it, and we got Verizon millimeter wave. So there you guys go. Look at that. It gets Verizon millimeter wave on the Surface Duo 2. Oh, we got some neighboring CBRS. Hey. $20.79 down. Good performance from this modem. Even though it's the same X60 Snapdragon 888, it's a good performing phone for millimeter wave. Wow. And 103 on the upload. Let's compare it to the iPhone 12 Pro, or 13 Pro, sorry. Wow, the pings have been really off. I know right now they're doing upgrades to the core. That's what my engineer buddy was telling me from Verizon. So 2188 down. So the iPhone still has better upload and a little bit better of a download, but not a bad comparison here to this Microsoft Duo, guys. But other than that, I wanted to give you guys that, and I'll include some Yeah, I'll take some quick pictures here, and I'll throw them in at the end of this video with the Surface Duo. All right, guys, thank you for tuning into this video. I appreciate y'all. Sorry for dropping it so late, but you know I got you, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Deuces. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you're always notified when we upload content. Have a great one. Peace.